Did you ever wonder why Fresh Roof was invented? It's not just about saving a very old roof. It's about optimizing your shingle roof's performance throughout its entire life, from year 1 to year 30. Think about it. When you have a deck on your house, you know it needs maintenance. You either seal the wood or stain it to protect it, right? Fresh Roof was born out of the need to revolutionize roof care. It's like giving your roof a protective shield. It keeps the asphalt in your shingles flexible so that they don't dry out and lose their granules. Just like maintaining a deck prolongs its life, keeping your shingles flexible with Fresh Roof can significantly extend their lifespan. For the best results, consider installing Fresh Roof within the first year of a roof. And here's the secret. Repeat the application every 6 to 7 years to unlock the full life potential of your roof. So why was Fresh Roof invented? To redefine roof care, ensuring your roof performs at its best for decades. Invest in your roof's longevity today with Fresh Roof.